I'm Nicole, Nikki.
This real.
I'm JB.
What are we talking about?
I was recording
the realest.
You need to get ready. You see it.
Put the glasses on, sis. Put the glasses on.
Thank you, sis, because this bitch got me all like this and shit. Thanks, sis, helping me out.
Oop, oop.
Period. Because I put you out never wear the
Never.
Where the what at? I was gonna say.
Turn it off, turn it off.
Face card.
Nurse.
This is a fake.
She's scared to take a shot though.
With her shit laughing.
You already know I'm talking. You better put the big on top of it. Big talk. Period.
Shut the f up.
Got a million while you eat to the limit. Get my feelings in it. Give me my main squeeze in it. Don't you? You want to lick when you eat out. Spider, sex. Yeah, 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 yeah. The price I want for sure, you gon' need 3 promoters. I got the valley from Jim Ellis, but I had switched the motor. I got these badass bitch right around this bitch, named all the coders. Yeah, I just told her make a show.
It's gonna be the hood anthem.
Yeah, I told her stab my lips. I told her stop telling everything she seen and told her meet me at the Ritz. I got baguettes in the back of my ring and now we ain't trying to hit. I told her she gotta run to the team before she can talk to the lit. Before she can talk to the, yeah. Let talk, I just pulled up with some fools. I told her mama tie all my shoes. Showed her 2 million cash, now she woozing. 20 matches and those shoes. I had came up out the trenches and I had beat a few bodies like Boosie. She said you work on my show, you my Gucci. I had to say to this bitch I look juicy. Yeah.
I'm Nicole, Nikki.
What do you do?
Where do you?
What are your aspirations in life?
I go to school. I don't know.
What do you wanna do?
Like, if I'm being honest, I don't know what I'm doing with life. I'm just
What do
letting
you think
it flow.
you are?
I want to be a therapist. I want to work for ESPN. You want to just live and just take pictures of people. I don't know what I want to do, but hopefully anything to make people happy that makes me happy too. I don't want to make people happy and not be depressed. It's real. Yeah, that's me. And I'm thirsty for love. So I don't
Not love her, girl.
Like, hey, I feel like, how do I say this? I'm sensitive, but I can easily not give. So why I feel like I'm not sensitive, I could turn that sensitivity off.
Okay, if it's up, then it's stuck.
Yeah, that's Nicole. I'm cool.
What you like to do, JB? I'm the twins' mama. That's
Period.
That's what I does.
Period.
I love all my family, all my people around me. If you around me, then clearly I love you. Cause I don't you, then you can't be around. Okay? I love you, Peanut. I love the beach. We here, baby.
Start them first.
What are we talking about? I was recording yours.
What am I talking about?
You're not talking about nothing.
Yeah, go back to
Cameo, cameo.
I want to do that.
Welcome to the Nation Show. I don't want to.
Okay. Peanut, do not call me by my real name because y'all don't know me like that. I do everything and anything. I'm a mom. No, I'm a mother. No drama. I'm a mother. No drama.
I hate when niggas try to get behind me. That's
Exactly, and that's probably how he felt.
no, like especially that Mexican Nicole that was trying to bother you.
Oh, boom! Boom, perfect.
Cause I already said that. Out. I thought he wanted a handshake. That's why I was like, I don't know what the he was saying. He came and sat next to me, and that's why I was like, I can't hear you. Like, what do you want? And then he left, and then he came back for me, and I was like, what are you doing? Cause he came and wrapped his arms around me. Don't touch me.
She is road rage. She hopped out her car and started beating the thing.
What the world? Baby, your purse is on the back of your car, honey.
If somebody threw money on the freeway, would y'all get out?
I'm like,
Y'all stop and get out? I would too.
if it's a lot,
My uncle said he wouldn't. He was like, that's dangerous. Like, duh, with free money. Like,
everybody else.
Yeah, money was flying on the freeway and everybody was out there grabbing them.
I'm gonna follow them.
Hell, people do that all the time.
She nosy as hell. She said, I'm finna follow them.
Oh
Like,
God,
girl.
I would've too. Just roll something. I'm nosy as hell. Bro, I like this the way. I rolled up.
This camera's cute.
You just said 12:30.
So cute. This is what I needed. This is my blessing camera.
On hot nights, saying she must be fucking with guns. I fuck with snacks and we gonna eat rats and I came with some fucking piranhas. Got a bitch, got it, got in my way, need somebody grow me a tree. Came out the hood in my truck, got a hood, now I got the car with no keys. See it, she for the street, need me. Only one she got hit at the spinning me. I feel a little rich this week, as far as my family, that not be cheap. I throw the FN on me, I need she needs just a Glock keep. Do all this easy, what you
In the shop.
I'll hit you over there. JB. I'ma take you. I'ma take my shot.
I fuck with snacks and we gonna eat rats and I came with some fucking piranhas.
Shut up. Oh my God, niggas can't even live, bro. We cleaned up right after. Right, we was like, let's clean up. This nigga always tripping. See the big and the big plan. To get close to his rich friend. Y'all slow. Make it big stand. Make it quick nasty ho. Red on with a classy ho. Young Happy birthday to you. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Okay. What is that?
It's candy.
I don't like how. Wait, come on, hold on. That piece. Go ahead, Peter. No, that video needs to never not be that funny. I'm happy as fuck.
Girl, you didn't half as bad as the. So it's good.
Oh God. This your man. You know this my baby.
The price I want for sure, you gon' need 3 more.
You got the open right now?
Yeah, perfect. And then went through. It was like right there. Say hi, Gigi. Oh my gosh, this girl. Happy birthday. Okay, I'm gonna open my gifts. Smells good.
Yeah, Shelly's at Pancho too, but I think up there. Yeah,
Okay.
from all of us.
Look at this gift.
That's as tall as you, Peanut.
No, literally.
Tallest
It's too tall.
Don't tip the top, Bishop. What's on top?
Don't cry. Oh, this is cute. It's a cake from that girl.
Yeah, it's the best leche.
I have to clean all the furniture.
And it's Bluetooth. Yeah. And it's portable. So like you can take it wherever you want.
I love you.
¡Aplausos! ¡Bravo! ¡Venga!